Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make black and white cookies, or as some people like to call them, half moon cookies. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the black and white or half moon cookies, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/3 cup of sour cream. And for the icing, you'll need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, plus more as needed, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, then set it off to the side. In your electric mixer with a paddle attachment, beat the butter and sugar on medium-high speed until smooth and creamy. Add the egg and vanilla extract and mix on high speed until combined. Next, add the dry ingredients in 3 additions, alternating it with the sour cream. Beat everything on low until combined, there's no remaining flour, and the batter is extremely thick. Scoop the batter onto a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for 16 to 18 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely while we make the icing. To make the icing, combine the powdered sugar, water, corn syrup, and vanilla in a large bowl, then mix until smooth. If the icing is too thick, you can add some more water until it becomes a thinner, spreadable icing. With a small offset spatula, cover half of each cookie in a thin layer of the vanilla icing. Create a neat line along the middle, then use the sharp edge to gently draw the icing from the center to the edge. Then allow the icing to set while we make the chocolate icing. Add in the cocoa powder to the icing. Then spread the chocolate icing to the other side of the cookie. Allow the icing to set, and now you have some classic black and white or half moon cookies to enjoy.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a fun time making the black and white cookies and I hope you did as well. They have the best of both worlds with the chocolate and vanilla icing. Also comment down below what you call them, black and white cookies or half moon cookies. Personally, I've grown up calling them half moons. If you recreate these cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your black and white cookies, and have a great day. Bye!